Hey guys, it's Brittany. I'm on the bus to go to Knott's Berry Farm for my school, and I'm with one of my besties, Stephanie Nava, and then all my friends over there. I'm re-recording it. Oh, but so yeah, we are going to Knott's Berry Farm, and I will see you guys over there. Hey, we have to walk. Well, we just got into Knott's Berry Farm, but like it's freaking packed, and like everyone is here, and it like sucks. I forgot I was recording a vlog, but I got Starbucks and I went on like 3 rides, so Alright, well, I'm in the car right now. I got back from Knott's Berry Farm like 20 minutes ago, and I'm eating carne asada fries because I'm so freaking hungry. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You can't even really see because of this thing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.